Hello mga ka-reels. Ayan, ang ating video ngayon ay tungkol sa dahon. Ayan, iba't ibang kulay ng dahon since ang autumn ay nag-start today. Officially started today. Ayan, ang autumn. So, pero ang transformation ng kulay ng dahon ay nagsimula pa 2 weeks ago. Ayan. Ito ang common na makikita natin pagka pagka yung autumn. Ganitong kulay lang siya, yellow. Pero mapakarami pang ibang kulay na napakikita ko sa inyo guys. Sikapin natin makita ang iba-ibang lugar o iba-ibang puno na may iba-ibang kulay ng dahon. Pero for now, ito munang yellow. Ayan. Sige guys, sige na. Enjoy lang natin guys ang kulay. Ayan, kulay tayo ngayon. Kulay. Ayan. Enjoy lang guys, enjoy. Ito mga ka-reels, ang dami nito. Kakasunod yung puno. Kahit saan dito eh. Ano siya? Mga ornament siya. Ito lungkoy-lungkoy talaga oh. Kung kinakain nito, wala ito. Asbok ito. Anihin ko lahat to. Wala eh, hindi nakakain to. Amoy pa lang eh, parang malansa ang amoy eh. Baka naman kaya isda ito. Malansa eh. Ayun, nako. Tayo ay naulanan na. Ayun guys, tayo nagbabalik sa balik-balik Espanya, biyaheng Espanya balik-balik. Ayan, ako. Ito ngayon ang ating video tungkol sa content natin ay ang mga iba't ibang kulay ng dahon ngayong autumn. Ayun, ngayong araw na to guys, nagsimula ang autumn officially. Ngayong araw na to ang autumn. Ayan, so pero nagsimula pa mag-change ang kulay ng mga dahon 2 weeks ago pa. So guys, ito ay i-enjoy lang natin wala tayong yan ang kulay, yan. Kulay lang kulay. Ayan, nako, kulay. Ang kulay. Anong kulay? Enjoy lang natin guys, enjoy. Ayan, good vibes nga naman, good vibes. Ayun mga ka-reels. Ayan, tingnan nyo ang napakagandang kulay ng dahon nito. Ayan, dilawang-dilawan. Hindi ito ano hindi ito political dilawa no. Sadya lang autumn ngayon, kaya ito ganitong kulay. Walang bahid tong politika guys, ha? Ayan mga ka-reels walang bahid na politika to. Dahil autumn ngayon, gusto ko lang makita ninyo ang mga dilawang-dilawan. Dilawang-dilawang dahon. Dilawang-dilawang. Ayun guys, nako, nakatingin sila. Eka, ayun, napaka-inosente. Hala, ito yung isang apple na to, cherry apple. Inabutan na ng lamig, nag-iisa na siya. Hello mga ka-reels, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang umaga dyan sa Pilipinas at magandang gabi dito sa Canada. Ayun, first day of fall or autumn today. Binabalikan ko lang guys yung itong puno na to na talagang na-intriga ako since makita ko to sa napakaraming bunga. No? Ito ay kalat kahit saan sulok ng city. Ito ay kalat. So, ngayon, ang tanong natin, nilalagay ko sa title is unknown. Ngayon guys, may pangalan na tayo dito. Ang isang kaibigan natin sa YouTube, minessage tayo, nakita niya itong puno na to. Ang pangalan pala nito, ayan, makikita ito karamihan sa North America. Ayan. Ito ay tinatawag na mountain ash. Ito ay tinatawag na mountain ash. Kinakain pala to guys, edible to. Niluluto at ginagawan jelly. Ayan, no, i-google nyo lang din guys at ilalagay ko sa title, Ayun, na-solve na ang ating mystery 3. Ciao. Ayun mga ka-reels, magandang at maganda kayo lahat. Ayun, maganda tayong lahat guys. Ito enjoy lang ang buhay guys. We are all transient in this world. Lilipas tayo guys. Walang puwang ang hatred, ang sama ng loob. Ayun, sa layong yasbok. Mountain ash guys, mountain ash. Ito ay mountain ash. Mountain ash. Mountain ash. Mountain ash. Mountain ash. Ayun mga ka-reels, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang umaga po dyan sa Pilipinas at magandang gabi dito sa Canada. First day po ng fall ngayon or autumn. Ayan, ako'y nagko-collect ng iba-ibang kulay ng dahon para lang i-share sa inyo at ipakita kung ang kagandahan ng mga dahon. Nagbalik lang po tayo sa punong ito. Ang isang kaibigan po natin sa YouTube, nakita po niya ang video ng punong ito with fruits, right? Sabi ko nga before, ito ay hindi edible at hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Ayan. Pero ngayon, minessage niya tayo. Minessage niya at ang sabi niya rito, ito ay mountain ash. Mountain ash. Edible pala siya guys, niluluto siya at ginagawan jelly. Ayan, nako. Pero pag kinain ng ganito ay mapait. Kailangan lutuin guys. So, ciao guys! Hello guys, hello mga ka-reels. isang napakagandang araw na naman dito bago bumagsak ang snow. Ayan, so ngayon ay third day of autumn. Ayan, so ngayon guys, ipupush natin bago bumagsak ang snow. Ayan, ako, magandang gabi dyan sa inyo sa Pilipinas at magandang araw dito sa Canada. Isang napakagandang sikat ng araw ngayong third day of autumn. Ayan guys, ito guys ay ang tinatawag nating cherry apple. Ayan, ako guys, ito guys ay mawala ng matutuyot lahat ito. Magiging parang magiging prunes to, magiging pasas itong cherry apple na to. Ito ay sooner, probably one month from now or 4 weeks from now ay mag-change na yan, matatanggalan dahon at magiging pasas nga sa atin. Ayan guys, meron na nagsimula na, ayan, may pasas na, ayan, natutuyot na guys. Pero ito guys ay napakatamis nito guys. Ayan, apple cherry ang tawag dito guys. Maraming varieties ang apple. Merong apple cherry, merong apple, regular apple, merong marami pa, wala akong masabi, pero marami pa. Ayan, isa ito sa mga ornament na ilalagay sa mga harap ng bahay, building. Ayan, ito ay isang napakaganda, lalo nito guys pagka yung spring nito guys, napakaganda ng bulaklak nito guys, napakaganda. Ayun, share natin sa inyo guys pagka ito ay nagbulaklak na uli sa next season or by March. Ayan, ganyan lang naman ang cycle of life ng mga halaman dito, kasi nga 4 season. Pero sometimes hindi nasusunod yung 4 season, meron kami summer and winter agad, although nasusunod sa date, pero yung hindi siya nasusunod talaga, kasi bumabagsak agad ang snow after week na ng autumn. Ngayon is 3 days na ng autumn, officially 3 days na, kasi officially started on last Saturday. Okay, so guys, itong napakagandang apple cherry na to ay magiging pasas. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo, sadyang napakaganda. Sa taas guys, nag-change na siya guys. Ayan, so mga ka-reels, enjoy lang natin ang weather o ang 4 season dito sa Canada, at isi-share ko sa inyo ang 4 season talaga. So guys, na-share ko sa inyo ang spring, summer and fall. So winter na lang guys ang ating hinihintay para ma-share ko sa inyo kung anong kagandahan. So guys, tandaan ninyo, ang punong ito ay mawawala ng dahon at magiging pasas ang kanyang bunga. Ayan guys, tingnan mo guys, talagang sadyang gandang tingnan. Sige guys, at maghahatid pa tayo ng napakaraming balita bago bumagsak ang snow. Ayan, ciao guys, enjoy lang ang life guys, at tayo ay transient lang dito sa mundong ito guys. Hello mga ka-reels. Ako, magandang gabi dyan sa inyo sa Pilipinas. Magandang araw dito sa Canada. Isang napakagandang sikat ng araw ngayon bago mag-winter or bago bumagsak ang snow. Ayan, buti nga ngayon guys, this season, nasunod ang 4 season talaga. Usually pag after ng summer, ilan days lang ng fall bagsak na agad ang snow. Ngayon ay guys, parang nasunod ang 4 season. Which is winter, spring, summer, and fall. Yan. Oh guys, ito namin lang natin nitong cherry apple na ito. Isang napakagandang ornament dito sa harap ng building o sa harap ng mga tao. Ito ay halos wala na pumapansin guys kasi kung sa atin to guys, ubos na to. Hindi to masasayang. Dito guys, wala, masasayang lang. So guys, napakagandang pagmasdan. Ang cherry apple. Ayun, enjoy lang natin guys ang buhay. Walang puwang stress, walang puwang problema. Tayo ay mag-enjoy lang. Ayan. Sa muli tayo transient lang sa mundong ito. So enjoy lang natin ang bawat segundo ng ating buhay. Ayan, pasensya na sa mga kung tayo ay may mga nasaktan. Ayan, sorry sa may mga nasaktan natin damdamin o nasagasaan natin damdamin. Ayun. Ciao guys. Hello mga ka-reels, ito ay isang bagong puno na naman. Talagang nadilaw na lahat ang dahon. Ayan. Nako mga ka-reels, gusto ko lang talagang ma-videohan lahat nitong magagandang kulay na ito. Sometimes stress reliever to guys, stress reliever. Ayan. So guys, ang importante, enjoy lang natin kung may problema man tayo sa ating buhay o suliranin sa ating buhay, hindi naman natin masusolusyonan. May mga bagay na o problema hindi natin masusolusyonan sa isang segundo lamang o oras o araw. Ayan. Talagang na lang tayo, adjust natin kung saan tayo po pwede nating makuha or magbigay ng solusyon sa maayos na paraan. Mag-enjoy lang guys. Stress is not worth it guys. Hello mga ka-reels, mabuhay po tayo at kumusta po ba tayo ngayon? Ayan, nako. Ilang araw din tayong tumigil, ilang araw, parang kahapon lang yun. Okay, ito guys, share ko sa inyo ang community park. Ito yung community park, may iba-ibang dahon siya na kulay ngayon. So maghanap tayo ng orange color, no? Guys, dun sa sa baba yun, sa may River Valley. Doon tayo pupunta guys sa may Rainbow Valley pala. Rainbow Valley. Oh. Tingnan yung kulay guys. Hello mga ka-reels, nandito ako sa neighborhood namin Ito yung typical place na ito yung mga houses, old houses na kasi. Pero ito yung park. Hanggang doon sa dulo yan, hanggang sa river, hanggang sa Rainbow Valley. Ayan. So guys, ito yung street. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung street. So ngayon guys, talagang napakaganda ng weather kasi yung mga ang dahon kasi hindi nalagas agad. Talagang masusunod yata yung weather ngayon. So yan mga ka-reels, lumilibot tayo sa aking neighborhood. Ito yung naglalakad lang tayo papuntang Rainbow Valley. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So yung mga puno na to guys, mga pine tree, hindi talaga nag-change ng color ng dahon nito kasi yan na siya. All year round yan guys, all year round. Oh wow, ano kaya to? May isang interesting puno na naman dito guys. Tuyo ba ang dahon o sadyang ganyan siya? Hindi ko alam kung tuyo ang dahon o sadyang ganyan siya. So ayan guys yung yung neighborhood. Pupunta tayo sa Rainbow Valley na. Ito mga ka-reels, so may kabuti rito. Ito sigurado hindi kinakain to guys. Kabuti na to. Kasi ang yung compost ang nakalagay dito sa hindi ko alam kung dumi nitong dumi ng hayop or animal to. Hindi ko alam kung anong to eh. Pero check na hindi kinakain ng kabuti na to. Ito, napakaraming cherry apple guys. Apple cherry. Ito mga ka-reels, ito napakadaming bunga guys. Kung ibe-bake nyo to, grabe. Ilang cherry apple pie ang makukuha nyo rito. Napakadami, kahit sa barangay siguro pwedeng makakain. Isang puno pa lang to guys pero tignan nyo naman ang bunga. Grabe to guys, babagsak lang lahat yan matutuyot na katulad nun guys. Hindi tayo pwedeng tumapak sa sa lawn or sa grass. Magalitan tayo, magagalit sila kasi inaalagaan talaga nila yung lawn na yan Tingnan yung Bermuda grass nila guys. Tingnan yung grass, napakaganda ng grass. So inaalagaan talaga yun guys. Ito mga ka-reels ay halo siyang red, orange and yellow. Ito ang magandang kulay dapat Ito yung mga puno na nagiging ganito ang kulay. Ayan guys. Tingnan yung buti. So ito yung mga ka-reels, typical din yan regular yan sa mga ito kasi maple leaf to kaya ganyan. Ayan. Ito guys yung makikita yung logo sa aming sa vlog ng Canada. So ito ay orange, tapos may color later na yellow. Tingnan pa natin guys. Ciao. Ito mga ka-reels, ang sinasabi kong na kulay ng typical. Ito ay ang ito ay ang maple. Maple to Hello.
Hi.
Hi, is this yours?
No.
I apologize if it's yours. It's beautiful. It's beautiful leaves right here. Look at
they
that.
are very pretty.
Pretty. It's just natural, right?
Yeah, they're nice red color. I don't know what kind of tree that is.
Oh, is this a red color originally, or becomes yellow,
It
becomes red
when it's
when
fall
it's
time.
fall time, right? I thought it's beautiful. I never seen this a lot,
No, I haven't seen it. That's actually a nice.
beautiful. I'm gonna share it to my friends back in Philippines. Thank you. Yun guys, ito daw ay green become red dahil fall. Ayan. Parang punsyensyang color guys, no? Ang ganda. Look at the color. It's a beautiful color. Ito mga trills apple talaga. Ito yung regular apple guys. Pero ginawa lang din ornament. Usually ang mga apple dito guys, ginagawa lang nilang ornament sa mga bakuran. So, sorry. Step, ano tayo? Sa lawn. Kasi bawal talaga magtapak sa lawn. Ito guys, laki oh. Tatlo pa siya guys oh. So guys, kung sino may gusto, yung tatlong ito. Sabihin nyo lang at pipitasin natin. Sa gabi natin pipitasin na hindi po pwede sa araw. Joke. Yan. Napakaganda guys. Tatlong natirang apple. Tao yata. So ayan, ornament lang to guys, ornament sa harap ng bahay. Hindi tayo allowed tumapak sa lawn. So baka mabulyawan tayo. Ayan guys. So ayan mga ka-reels, enjoy lang natin ang apple na pero hindi natin pwedeng pitasin. Ayan. So ayan, imagine niyo na lang na kinakagat ninyo na napakalutong rush. Ayun. Ito walang bunga pero ang laki, ang ganda. Yeah. Yeah, this one is spring stuff. Spring usually for spring, but look at now, it's like fall already, but still beautiful. What kind of plants is this one right here?
That's a Weigela.
Oh man.
And the plant. Oh, there's.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit of
there's a little bit of flower left there. It's just lovely.
Yeah, it is 100%.
And there's another one there,
Yeah,
but I think that one's lost all the flowers now.
And even your rose right there.
But the rose is like the pink ones and the red ones, and then this is one of my favorites.
Is that an orange one? It's a natural color?
Yes. Yeah.
Every time I see it in a flower shop, these colors, I know they just spray with the color, right?
Yeah.
But this one is in your
Hey,
garden.
you!
Oh.
Sorry, Charlie.
What's this right?
Charlie.
Rip.
No.
He's playing with the garbage bag.
No. Not for you. Hey.
It's a cute dog.
She doesn't eat the garbage. The plastic.
It's trying to
rips
play
it
the
apart.
plastic probably. That's it. Yeah. Look, it's a
I'm being
beautiful.
photographed.
Professional. This is a spring stuff, eh? Look at that, but it's fall, right? Yeah, you're right. Usually it's froze right now, but this time of year. But right now there's
this one has just a little bit of a flower left here, but it was all full of flowers. It was just beautiful.
All right there. I'm familiar with that a little bit, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. Is it daisy?
That one is
With the yellow?
Oh, the yellow. It's bee balm.
Oh,
And that's
not
one.
even close.
That's one plant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one
And
plant.
branches and that.
Yeah, it
branches
just and it comes back every year.
Wow. Oh, really? You're not. I mean, it's like you're cutting it,
I cut it right down.
cutting right down,
And then
and then
spring-
just.
spring
Oh.
from the bottom.
So you cut it in on like all the way to the ground,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
wow.
Yeah, I'll cut it right down. This one doesn't flower, but in spring it's
beautiful.
green, and
Yeah.
then in fall, like it's turning all red now.
Wow.
And then that one back there has beautiful, it's called the garland, and it has beautiful white flowers on it in summer. But it's going to sleep now.
I know, eh? So this one is you have to put it before the winter.
I
Or
like
the
to,
snow
it's a
storm.
fertilizer.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're gonna left in there the whole winter.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
I dig it up.
Oh, really?
And that's a spirea, and I love that.
This one right here?
Yeah. I love
Wow.
the color on that.
I love this
And
one.
that's a sedum.
This one right here?
That's sedum. Yes.
Wow, I love this one right here. I'm gonna take a picture. So what is this again? It's a cactus, a family of cactus?
No, it's sedum.
Sedum, eh?
S-E-D-U-M.
And look at the leaves, right? It's just
Yeah,
thick.
it starts off all green,
Yeah.
and then as fall goes along, then it turns into pink.
Wow, it's beautiful. I've never seen this one before, man. I just, yeah. It's lovely.
And
It's all lovely.
this big
Wow.
open spot here
Yeah.
in spring, it's red poppy. It's
Man.
it's about that big. It's just huge.
I'm just telling you right now, ma'am, you're living a life. This is the life. Yeah.
Oh, I know.
This is the life, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're
You're living a life. Are you retired or still working?
Hey, I'm almost 84 years old. I'm retired.
Oh, you're retired?
Yeah.
Wow. I never seen. I mean, look, that's people always happy and smile. Yeah, the combination of this color, green. Wow, look at the color right
I
here.
know. And see, these are annuals. These I have to plant every year.
Oh, this one right here
Yeah, that one and then those as well. But these are daylilies.
stays forever.
They
As
come
long
back.
as you're not,
And this one comes back. Yeah.
Oh.
So you get lots of value for your money.
Exactly, because it's you never you know
You still
buy again
have-
in
no,
the following
it
years.
keeps on
It keeps on growing, right?
keeps on giving.
Yeah, as long as you have the roots left in the ground.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
another sedum over here.
Charlie? Hey, Charlie.
I'll get it.
Charlie, stay sit.
I'll get it.
Sit in there, Charlie.
Where is my food?
Oh, it's a beautiful dog. Look at the background, ma'am. I'm taking videos, and background is nature. It's beautiful.
Come over here.
Charlie, stay. Wow, look at the background and flowers. Charlie is sitting there. Hey guys, this is Charlie. Yeah. Charlie is a beautiful dog. Handsome dog, actually.
It's a girl.
Oh, girl, but you said Charlie. Charlie is, oh yeah. Sorry guys, Charlie is both name. Gender, both gender.
Gender neutral.
Gender neutral, exactly. That's the word. That's the word, guys. Sorry about that. So that's what I thought. It was like there's a pink ribbon on the neck, and I'd call it. Sorry, guys. Okay, this is Charlie. Oh wow,
Stay.
she is beautiful dog.
No, stay.
So guys, those dog lovers in there, this is the beautiful dog right now, Charlie, in front of us. Ayan. So thank you, Charlie. Oh, Charlie, she is still looking at you, waiting for the food. Wow, shake hand. It's a beautiful dog. Thank you. Thank